Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि what are different ways to earn money in our teenage years, because at that time we are studying, we have to manage various stuffs, there are various things we have to get along with. So let's just cut it short and let's get in and know what are the ways we can earn money by step. So first of all, the most popular one is starting a YouTube channel and recording your vlogs. Yeah, whatever you learn, you can just simply make videos and upload it on YouTube. So that's the most popular way, and I would say there is a lot of competition over here right now. So you have to really work hard. You have to put in your efforts. You have to put in your time in this, and yeah. So moving on to the next profession, or you can say next way of making money is by freelancing. We can acquire a particular skill, we can make ourselves better in a particular skill, and then we can go on various websites that are available for the freelancing works like Fiverr, the Freelancer. So there are various websites and various apps which helps to place your bids and build projects, and by slowly making small projects you can build up your portfolio, and then you can place bids for higher value. So next we have is personal tutoring, the best and the most affordable one, without the least you can put efforts is the tutoring one. You have to just find few people around you, or you can you can start online tutoring as well. You just have to find people on the online platforms and start tutoring them. So yeah, online tutoring also have very much importance right now. Then we have photography. If someone is very much interested in taking photographs, and if you are confident enough that your photography will be liked by other people, there are various websites that where you can take photographs and upload them over there, and they will be sold for, you can sell them. So yeah, there's another way by which you can earn money, but then you also need some sort of investment in this. Like, you can start by the minimum of 100 rupees, but then you also have to invest your time in researching and knowing about various types of stocks. The thing I'm talking about is trading. So you have to know about it, like you need to have prior information about it. So in that case scenario, if you are free and you have some time, so you can just go and know about the various candles or what's the market up to. You just have to keep yourself updated about various stuff going around in the news and various stuff going around in the globe. So yeah, so instead of focusing on how to earn money, I would rather suggest you guys, since you are all there in your teenage years, I would rather suggest you guys to develop skill, build experience, and try various kind of stuff. You'll know what is the best one for you. So I would suggest you to try on everything possible, then you decide which one is the most appropriate one for you. So rather than going after money and running after money, I would rather suggest you to gain experience and learn from various websites. There are many free courses going on provided by Google and various websites. So that would be the best way you could make yourself equipped. So yeah, that's it in this video. Let's meet in the other video. Ta-da!